Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today we are going to see BSc first, same first, organic chemistry, multiple choice questions and answer. So see, first question, the optically active compound is dash dash and the options are A, CH3CH, COOH, B is the CH3CH, double bond CH, C2H5. Next one is the CH3CH, Cl2. D is the CH3CH2, CH, NH2, COH. So, and D is the CH3CH2, CH, NH2, COH. So, the optically active compound is, correct option is D, CH3, CH2, CH, NH2, COH. This is the optically active compound. Next one is the question number 2. That is, which of the following is not chiral? So, which of the following is not chiral? And the options are A, 2-chlorobutane, B, lactic acid, C, 3-chloropentane and D, 2-aminopropanoic acid. So, here the correct option is 3-chloropentane. Correct option is 3-chloropentane. So, not chiral. 3-chloropentane is not chiral. Next one is, that means remaining 3 are chiral compounds and here 3-chloropentane is not chiral. Question number 3. In organic compounds, presence of chiral carbon causes dash dash isomerism. So, organic compounds presence of chiral carbon causes dash dash isomerism and the options are A, geometrical, B, conformational, C, optical and D, cis trans. So, chiral carbon means the carbon which is attached to 4 different atoms other than carbon. So, this carbon is called as chiral carbon. So, such compounds are called as, or such compounds show optical isomerism. So, in organic compound, presence of chiral carbon causes optical isomerism. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4, that is, optical inactivity of mesotartaric acid is due to presence of dash dash symmetry. And here the options are A, alternating axis of symmetry, B, center of symmetry, C, plane of symmetry and D, proper axis of symmetry. So, firstly we know the structure of mesotartaric acid. So, mesotartaric acid has structure. Mesotartaric acid has structure like the carbon attached with the other groups and here one symmetry is present due to which the molecule is optically inactive. And here the structure of mesotartaric acid, we firstly see COOH, COH, H, COH, here again H and this one is COH. This is the mesotartaric acid. And when we draw a plane pass through the molecule become optically inactive. This is the meso tartaric acid. So molecule which contain any of the symmetry, so the molecule is optically inactive. And this is the mesotartaric acid, where the plane is passed and the molecule is divided into two half, and the molecule is like symmetry, and due to presence of symmetry, molecule is optically inactive. So here correct option is in the molecule mesotartaric acid. Optical inactivity of mesotartaric acid is due to presence of plane of symmetry. So here the correct option is plane of symmetry. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on Firestone chemistry. Thank you.